more content.
Exactly.
True.
I'm here.
Just like your hairline.
Brother,
Just like your hairline.
what'd you say? Look at that.
Bro, you're not. Are you really recording?
McDonald-
No, I stopped
I'm about to
recording.
put McDonald hairline.
Shut up, dang! Oh, my shirt is wet.
Hey, what you got? What you got? Look what he has.
Oh,
What you got? See those? Hey.
Those are fake though. Those are fake.
Hey, he has nothing to say. Those are fake.
This is Timberland. This is Timberland.
Yeah.
That's fake shoes. Those are
What are them?
those are fake Nike.
Brother, roasting.
We can all
That's-
tell by how it looks. Like, what is this gibberish? Your hairline's gibberish. It goes zigzag, lag, whatever.
Shoot. Dang, bro. Dang.
We have ring pots.
Yo.
But you want Wait.
he's my favorite, not you.
Sorry, where you have no friends. Where you get no friends.
I'm about to run. Okay, he gets to. He's my favorite.
Oh.
Look.
Let's see.
No one subscribed to his YouTube channel.
Yeah, zero content, like 16-second videos.
Just like his hairline.
Oh. Yo, what your brother just? Your brother just roasted you.
I bet you he's
He
probably
just
just.
roasted you.
What did you do?
What did you do?
What the fuck?
Whoa.
His hairline.
Yeah! He said, guess what was back there? He said his hairline. Hilarious.